Pleiadian download codes, Archangel Michael and Archangel Metatron, preventing civil unrest. Today's date on the Archangelic calendar is Infinity 068 Infinity Infinity P3A3 P3A3A3 Infinity Infinity E7 C7 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 Infinity Infinity B1 TT Infinity. The day is now 36 hours and starts and ends at 3 am or 3 pm in an alternating fashion. At the time of this post, the following 3 pm will start this new day. There is more information and the calendar legend is available at archangeliccalendar.com. And please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Gaia is spirit dominant and is going to use every ounce of that power on this day. She is evoking peace in the hearts and minds of mankind, and this is going to manifest in a very sudden burst of creative solutions to the issues that we are currently facing. There are specific download codes as suggested by the Pleiadians, who say this number set is a good way to keep yourself on the correct micro timeline. When I asked them for the optimal way to use them, they said to simply gaze upon them with knowledge and intent. 42,224, 42,244, 4,222,442,244, and 42,244,422,244. We are aware of the reports of the death of Kim Jong-un, but I assure you that his file did not come across our desk as of yet. He may be out of the body, but his soul did not go back to the incarnation line as of yet. Kim Yo-young is hopefully taking over her brother's position and the legions have extremely high hopes for her leadership. She will do extremely creative things and will take great strides to bring peace and commerce to that region. The Jongs are not the only ones switching position. A swap in responsibilities has been executed by Archangel Metatron and Archangel Michael. They do this from time to time and are really great working partners when they do. For those not familiar, Archangel Metatron is human in all reality. He was promoted within the last 2000 years, and at that point, there weren't too many humans who were promoted to Archangel, but these days, it is more common than one could possibly imagine. Archangel Michael is an original archangel from the mind of infinitely expanding Creator Source and is omnipotent in a very special and unique way. When they switch roles, there is no skip in the ebb and flow within our legions, and the more you get to know the archangels, the more you realize how versatile they can be when they are not stuck in their ancient ways. You are never punished for your actions, you are punished by them. The reason for this is found in our innate connection to the quantum field. We are deeply entangled and entrenched with one another, and this makes all actions done to others acts done to the self. This is not philosophy, as this truth will manifest in a very real and direct way to the participant. In other words, give good, give bad, get the same. I must again say that physical violence is never the answer. Unless absolutely necessary in an act of emergency self-defense, nothing and no one should incite violence within you. Moreover, no one should be planning violence in any way, shape, or form, as metaphysics has strict laws against these sorts of things. The main point of concern is that the collective will not tolerate stagnation, and if everyday progress is not made, we are at risk of a volatile collective that may lead to civil unrest. This is the number one threat on the planet's physical dimension, and it is up to the general masses to decide where this goes, as we are in free will zone now. The enlightened and awake among us will have no control in the physical but can help influence peace in the metaphysical. See today's assignments. We consider Bob Marley the greatest musician of all time, not only because of his musical genius but because of the divinity he sparked in all who connected with his wisdom. As if this was not enough, he stopped a civil war and then inspired a movement of peace and hope throughout Jamaica. He has also inspired a countless number of people to be socially aware and spiritually present. We truthfully can go on for days about his achievements, but we must digress to the point, which is we all need to channel our inner Bob Marley in today's assignments. Today's tools. Tools will be active until the next post. Use the legend below to help you decipher how to best use today's weapons. Passive equals no intention needed to use or arm. It will work on its own when you accept its presence. All you need to do is give permission and it will work on your behalf. Active equals intention needed to use. Aggressive equals will attack before anything has a chance to do any harm to you, beyond space and time. We have gone through great changes, and thus the weapon based tools indicated below can be inserted into the ground to call forth downloads. Active, passive, and aggressive anywhere within the universe. The Violet Flame team is in the set of 6, in an effort to fine tune our current timeline. This hopefully moves to the complete number 9 shortly. The Violet Flame team is as follows, and is in no particular order: Archangel Jermaine, Archangel Ansil, Archangel Bryathos, Archangel Emmanuel, Archangel Of, Archangel Raguel, Archangel Zadkiel, Archangel Batkol, Archangel Agla, Archangel Gzrael, Archangel Galur, Archangel Tatrasil, Archangel Orion, Archangel Harahil, Archangel Servil, Archangel Ashma, Archangel Sablo, Archangel Azil, Archangel Nuril, Archangel Vermil, Archangel Adonachel, Archangel Kerkil, Archangel Abraxos, and Archangel Machdil. Active. Archangel Michael's legendary sword can handle anything, as it is completely omnipotent. No level of consciousness can be achieved that this couldn't slice through. It is also an amazing weapon against electronics and technology, as it can override any circuitry. Passive, active, and aggressive. Archangel Isaac's radiant field looks a lot like Magneto's force field, as it reacts to any life form with either loving energy, or with a transmutational blast of vast power. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Leo's Swords of Plenty is a passive and aggressive attack sword that has a complete will of its own. Do not try to yield at all, you will only get in the way. Equip and go. Active. Archangel Zagzagal's Staff of Heavenly Might rains large crystal masses upon a targeted area. Great for large targets, works on the physical and non-physical as well. Active. Archangel Zadkiel's Staff of Justice is a tool that is best used on a macro level and can help move things along that are stagnant. It can also summon and maintain force fields for protection purposes. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Shepherd's Orb is a presence of divinity that allows anyone that you are engaged with a clear path to forgiveness or a direct audience with infinitely expanding creator source on the matter. This is a truly compassionate tool of divine orchestration. Active and passive. Archangel Yehudiah's Wand of Structure can build stairways to heaven or any other metaphysical structure to perfection. This tool is also helpful in building force fields of protection as well. Passive. Archangel Jophiel's Radiance is a beautiful tool that allows our inner beauty to shine. This is a great tool but can make people possessive over you, as the beauty radiated is very intense. Use this tool in a trusted company only. Active. Archangel Sorash's Sword of Transmutation is only for really bad energies. This is far too powerful to yield lightly, it is made for the worst of the worst. This sword will come in handy in assignment number 3. Passive. Archangel Lophiel's Boutonniere enhances the beauty of yourself and all that you survey. This, like all passive tools, must be given permission to work on your behalf. Passive. Archangel Jadotun's Radiant Sounds attract the most wonderful people to your life as well as enhance your surroundings with beautiful cosmic sounds. It's basically a happy enhancer. Passive. Archangel Jephiska's Atmospheric Bracelet brings an element of fun to your nights. Jephiska is the archangel who is in charge of gatherings. In case you are so inclined to have one, she would be the recommended party planner. Assignments. These assignments are valid any day, as we are beyond space and time, and it will still remain a collaborative effort no matter when you administer them. Although to ensure accuracy, make sure you are using today's current weaponry. Especially, if you are seeing this 36 or more hours after this was originally posted, please use your intuition. Plus, the civil unrest threat is a multi-fold issue, and it is the number one issue facing humanity at the moment. A combination of massive energetic upgrades, dark agendas, galactic agendas, subliminal programming, and the general effect of being confined are converging to cause a major threat to humanity's peaceful notions. The next 3 assignments are focused upon this target. 1. The origins of these impulses to be rambunctious are not human in origins, and in fact coincide with the common use of 5G, which can be used for good if programmed that way but is not stable enough to do so at the moment. That being said, it is easily hacked and has been going back and forth in a galactic star race tug of war. There is no need for 5G technology, and as the trade continues with the Galactic Federation of Light, this technology will become obsolete. This is a very crude method of data transfer, and when we learn to use quartz crystal properly, we will move past these methods altogether. Send electrical impulses through all data lines, satellites, and technology. We can cleanse the lines, so to speak, and we can also imbue these lines with diamond peace light codes by sending diamond lightning through these vessels as well. 2. We must hold a peaceful and sacred space for those who do not have the ability to do so. There are a variety of lights that will work on this situation, which are but are not exclusive to any blue shade, any green shade, any pink shade, rose gold, diamond, or rainbow. The important part is that you hold for a 72 count, and if you are going to blanket the planet, be sure to use individualized rays to ensure it reaches the general masses as well. 3. With any dark agenda comes the dark rituals that are the precursor. There will be many in works for humanity, and you can easily spot them by the octagon-shaped black boxes that will be around them. Break the boxes, and then you know the drill. Announce yourself with violet flame and go in with sword and shield. Today's meditation highlights a technique taught by Archangel Michael to the essence called the Infinity Breath.